Good morning, everybody. So, it's been 2 days, I think, since I did a normal video. You know, I've been posting drone stuff lately. Anyway, so I need to take that thing to a field at some point. It'll be much easier, don't need to worry about trees or houses. This thing, I'll get it out of the closet for you guys. Now, this thing is not your high-tech drone, okay? So, it doesn't have a phone screen, so I can't see what I'm doing, so I gotta be careful what I'm doing. It hovers by itself, but it seems to go on somewhere else, so I had to keep it under control. That's why it's up and down, up and down. Once I get in the field, I won't be too worried about that. What else? It wasn't too windy last night, so I took it up before it got dark, and a gust of wind caught it and broke two of the prop guard things on it. So they're not deep pieces. If you want replacement, they're cheap. So that's good. It's not like a $2,000 drone like my uncle, you know. So we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm today. The neighbor had his plow on. He's expecting it. It's supposed to start by now. But I just checked the radar. It's like a huge cloud coming our way. So it should start any minute now. So I guess we'll be doing a snow video today. So speaking like 15 to 20 centimeters. I got another Lego set video I need to post. I built this guy here. It's pretty cool. And I'll probably be up there at some point. And I got my hair cut really short this time. I mean, like, really short. So I'll tell you what I got everybody now, since everybody's got their stuff. I got Devin that Lego train set that you've probably seen already on the video. I got Robin the Crew, because she played that a lot when she had my Xbox, and she loved that game. So I got her the Crew for the PC. I got Robert a Home Depot card, Nathan a giant minion, Dad a Kent card at the Home Depot, and I got Mom. She wanted cordless hair cutters on her list, so I got her that, and you can tell they work really well. And some gum and a new spoon and fork holder tray thing, knife, whatever you want to put in it. So yeah, I don't know if I showed you this yet. Oh, I think I did, yeah. No, maybe not. I don't think I showed you that yet. Anyway, Devin built this for me. It's really cool. And yeah, I got candy and stuff. Terry chocolate oranges, oh yeah. A giant sled, some new shirts, a new camera, that's right. Got a new picture camera, since mine is too old now. Quality sucks on it. Doesn't film in HD, so I need to get a new one. There you go. So we'll be taking it to the Monster Truck Show in May. Oh boy. Anyway, so yeah, Christmas is over. Boxing Day is over. Well, apparently there's Boxing Week now. Yeah, right. Boy, it's cold. It's cold in my room. It's freezing. How long has this been going on? Where do I want to do too late? So, yeah, what's today? It's the 27th. Taking down the Christmas lights after New Year's. And I'm happy I get to see them snow. Hopefully they don't die on me today. It's supposed to be freezing rain as well, so just cross your fingers that we don't get snow like last year. That was a nightmare. Anyway, so that's it for now. And here it comes. I just took out the drone because it wasn't windy and wasn't snowing, so I got to fly. I'm doing much better now, I must say. Except for that one little luck. Every time I turn the drone, it like goes on its own. And it's like, whoa, come back. And it's like, it went like way over there. Like, holy crap. Oh, really? Really? What are the chances, Steve? What are the chances to see this when I'm filming? That is stupid. Yeah, go Buffalo. No, they're gonna score. No, they're not. They're not. Good job, Buffalo. Anyway, so I just took a drone, got some video. I'm not gonna post it. I'll just say the footage I have and post in one video. Having no problem with my USB now, so which is weird. It's starting to slow down now, it's snow. But I just look at the weather and like we're on the line for rain and snow, so I don't know. This weather's freaking messed up. Anyways, Pittsburgh won last night. Crosby got the points. That's 2 wins in a row of kind of high score, so is that a change? Is that a sign they're back? Are they back for good? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna charge up the drone again and get ready for the next flight, whenever that will be. And I got the hover really, really good, like, but I still have to. I'm playing with the prop right now, but I think I got kind of under control. It's not shaking anymore. I just watch the videos. It's not really shaking anymore. But if you let go of the throttle, like, it'll go. You think you let go of the throttle, you think it'll just hover there, right, and not go anywhere? Nope. You gotta keep going with the steering, or it's just gonna take off on you. And the battery bar doesn't work on the controller thing, so I can't tell when it's dying. And when it dies, apparently, it just flies away on you. Yeah, so I gotta watch my time and stuff. I am gonna buy more batteries. I saw an ad for 6 batteries that charge at once, so it's only $20 for 6 batteries. Like, whoa. I believe 7 minutes each per battery. I think that's more than my uncle's. Yes, he has a better drone, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, starting to snow. Gave you some snow updates. Starting to get worse again. So we'll see what happens. We're supposed to get 10 to 25 centimeters. So you will see what we get. So what I'm just gonna do now, I'm gonna go back out there and cover up my Flavel's engines, and I'm bury them in the snow when it's time to turn them on. So I'll be right back. Wow, that just came out of nowhere. They're already sticking to the ground. Sweet. Awesome. Oh yeah, found bear poop in the backyard. Did I tell you this already? I don't remember. Anyway, I found bear poop in the backyard that wasn't there yesterday. I mean, unless somebody just dumped a random pile of dirt. I don't know. Let's see if I can zoom up on it. flying the drone and I saw it like, what the? I thought they were sleeping already. But I guess it's been so warm. Oh, those poor bears. Poor bears. Anyways, I'll get a confirmed thing when Mom gets home. They're out shopping for the storm. And get confirmed, I'll have to start warning people in this area that the bears are still awake. Anyway, so here's Devin's Lego train. If you didn't watch the Lego time-lapse video, turn it on here. Here's an update like 10 minutes later. It's funny how that spot is not snowed over. It's not funny. Hope they get home soon. It's getting worse. Huh? Getting worse. Hey! It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Yes, it is. They don't care. They don't care. Alright, inflatable, this is your final test. You can make it. Here's an update for you guys. Holy freaking crap, man. I got the inflatables up. I have to go brush them off like every hour, seems like it. Anyway, so that's not bear poop. The ground raised. The ground raised overnight. Parents are just got home, thank goodness. So yeah, winter storm, first of 2000 and no, it's not the first of 2015 because we had that like in January. Anyways, that's an update.
See, I don't know what it is.
Here's a snow update. It's starting to slow down again, like it's raining now.
No, stay there, dog.
Just little snowflakes. Here's the update. It's about 4 o'clock. Frosty, I need to fix him again. But yeah, it's like little snowflakes, like tiny ones, and we didn't even get like 2 centimeters. It's a good job, weather people, for lying again. Big deal for nothing again. What else is new? Anyways, so yeah. Well, there it is, tubes. My lights and snow. It's a bit of both, doing both right now. A bit of both. Kind of freezing rain, kind of snowing. Anyways, that's the first time I see my lights and snow in probably 2 years. But Snoopy, he's kind of, yeah, I just went out there and brushed them all off. So yeah, anyways, so tomorrow is Monday. I'm like lost of days here right now. Anyways, so I'm not too sure what we're doing. And it depends on the roads and stuff in the morning, I guess. And yeah, so we're back to normal videos, guys. And that's it. So hope you guys had a good Christmas. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we will probably see you next time.